What's going on? So Octane Red 392. Today I'm just showing you a little quick tutorial on how to get some of these hard water spots out of your paint with just a clay mat or a clay bar. As you can see, this is a definite water spot and they're all over my roof. I just washed my car one time in the bright sunlight and it was a little too hot and I didn't dry it off in time, so these set on the car and kind of like, I don't know, just went into the paint a little bit. It's just iron deposits, so a clay, that's why I say clay mat or clay bar. We'll take these right out. I'm going to be using this premium spray wax from Spuddy's spray wax. They got a good product, and I'm going to use this as part of a solution to take out these water spots. These are not like light hairs or anything. They're strictly like water spots, man. So from just iron deposits, mineral deposits from your regular water system. So spraying it on, and then I got this clay mat off of Amazon for like 11 bucks. So pretty good. I use it already on my hood and stuff, and I thought I'd let you guys know. So you wanna not press hard or rub hard. If you do so, you'll get some of the wax or transfer from, or some of the clay will transfer from this mat that it was applied to onto the car, and you will need to use compound to pull it off easy, or hand wax. It's a little more tight, but it's a little more rough, I mean. But so wipe it off, and as you can see, just like that, that's one of my many secrets. I don't know if it's a secret. I mean, if you know how to detail a car, you know about clay bar, and you know about how it makes it look pretty smooth. Okay, so you can see I missed the spot right there. Just a little bit more of this Spuddy's premium spray wax. And just lightly rub over the spot. You can change direction. This is not like sanding the car. You can go in any direction, go left to right, up and down, side to side, whatever. Just make sure, just be cognizant of the liquid you have on. As you can see, the spot is gone. Just wipe it away, and there you have it. I didn't touch up here. Okay, so you see how it's really reflective. You see my reflection of my hand? Now as you go up, you start to see more, if not like just a little stuff like that. Now some of these, like that one scratch right here, I'm not sure if it'll pull that out, but if it's just trash, which is an awkward way to put it, I'm pretty sure it's a scratch, but it's in the clear coat and not in the paint. So this may get it. These are very light scratches if it does come out. Yeah, it didn't come out. You can kind of still see it, but as far as the water spots go, they are gone. Here is my windshield as well. Now as it focuses in, okay, you see, these are what I'm talking about. You can see them clear on my window, as I'm pretty sure there's on everybody's windows. If you've ever got your windshield wet, you have water spots. I don't know about you, but these irritate the crap out of me, and they're all over the windshield. But it's clear to see against the black tint part. So same thing, Spuddy's wax. Just a few little squeezes with my clay material. Because I didn't spray it over the entire window, it's sticky in the areas. But see, just a little light pressure. I'm using circle motions because I only sprayed a smaller area. And like I said, if you don't have enough lubrication, this can become a hassle because it's harder to get off if you don't have rotary applicator for wax of any sort or orbital. It's a little bit harder to come off when you do it by hand, but hey, to each his own. You can do it with water as well. I'm doing it with wax to also give it a light coat as well. But usually when you do clay bar your paint, you want to put a thin layer of wax over it afterwards. If not, you're taking away the protective coating as well from the lighter scratches and stuff you don't see on your car because of that coating. So now, as you can see, there's nothing, and you're gonna slowly start to see where, and boom, there they are again, right there. As you can see, that's where I did not wipe. You can literally see where I stopped with the clay bar. You see how it's smooth. Now these smaller chips are literally what they are, small rock chips. But you can see they are literally gone. Okay, so there's a little bit more right here. It's a little spot I missed, as you can clearly see. I'm gonna go over this part one more time. Applicator. And in certain spots, if it's heavier, deposits, mineral deposits of any sort, or just contamination is another just common term used for it by car detailers. This is one of the things they go through when they apply ceramic coating. It's what they call decontamination process. They may use clay bar, they may use actual liquid, which is what is it? It is like iron water remover. But, okay, so wipe that off. Come on, iPhone. Okay, here we go. As you can see, wow, it's getting stuck on the garage reflection off the window. Okay, here we go. So there we go. As you can see, they are gone. So it may take more than one application to get the water spots out. As you can see, those are the ones I missed over the rest of my entire windshield. But I just want to show you that this little tutorial on how to get water spots out of your vehicle, yes, it's time consuming, but it's a lot cheaper to do it this way than to pay somebody to do it. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you're welcome. If you didn't know about this process, leave comments. Let me know if I said anything wrong or whatever. By no means am I a professional detailer. I did used to detail cars when I was younger, and I still do because I do mine now. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. So recap, clay bar or clay mat, like you see this side is this way. You get that on the other side. So if you want to apply it with this side, wipe it off with this side, you can. I just use two different rags. It's has another finishing side to it as well. So if you want to flip this inside out, you can. It's a softer finish on the inside. And once again, Spuddy spray wax. That's what I used to take off, or to pretty much decontaminate the water spots out of my clear coat.